Hi, boys and girls. So today you're going to be doing a little bit of a research project about an endangered or a threatened animal. So this can be about any animal that's on the spectrum of being threatened, near threatened, endangered, or critically endangered. So when you go to your assignment today, you're going to click on the species list, and that's going to bring you to this website where you have this list of all these different species that are, some of them are vulnerable. You're not going to choose the ones that are vulnerable. You're going to choose endangered, near threatened, critically endangered. Any of those are going to be okay. And if you scroll all the way down, there's this big list. There's even a second page that you can go to. Here, if you click on the second page, it'll bring up even more. So you're going to choose any of these and you're going to click on it. So if I choose like this mountain gorilla, which is endangered, it's going to take me to more information about that mountain gorilla. And I would scroll down and it's going to tell me facts about that mountain gorilla. Here's a map to show me where it lives in the world. It's going to give some paragraphs to telling me some information about it that I'm going to need to read. It's going to tell me the height and weight up here above the map, the population of it. And if I continue to go down, it's going to tell me why the mountain gorillas matter, and the threats. The threats are going to be giving me information about why this animal is endangered, what caused it to become endangered. And so I'm going to use all that information on the animal research report. So the other link that you're going to click on from your assignment will take you to this animal research report. And you're going to use the information from the species list website with whatever animal you've chosen, and you're going to click to type the information into this document. So first appears the animal name. You would click here and you would type the name of the animal that you've chosen, and then you're going to mark down what type of animal that is. So if the animal is like the gorilla would be a mammal, you can click on that mammal box and you can click up here to fill in that color. So I can fill in that that animal is a mammal. So now I've selected mammal for that one. Then I'm going to fill in my animal facts. And again, in each box, I'm going to click to be able to type in my answer. The height and size, the weight, color. Here you're going to mark if it has fur, feathers, or skin, what type of covering covers that animal's body. What does it eat? If it has lots and lots of things it eats, you can just put 2 or 3 things there. Where does it live in the world? So like my mountain gorilla was living in Africa. What are the animal's predators? Those are the things that hunt or eat your animal that you've chosen. If it is a top predator and there's no other animal that hunts or eats it, you can just say that it's not hunted by any other animals. That's okay too. The lifespan is how long your animal lives. How many years is the normal length of time that that animal is living. Over here off to the side, you're going to search for a picture and insert a picture online here that goes along to show your animal. So maybe even off of your website back here, you might be able to like right click on this and copy that image. And then when you go back to your animal research report, you can right click again and paste that image there. You might have to resize it to get it to fit, and then kind of drag and drop it into that area, okay, to get it to fit in that box. Over here, you're going to explain your animal's habitat. Where does it live? Does it live in the ocean, a woods, a desert, a jungle? What kind of habitat does it have? And then down here at the bottom, you're including 3 interesting facts about your animals. And again, you're just going to click and type into those boxes. So hopefully this is going to give you some more directions for how to complete this animal research report. But if you still have questions, make sure you send me an email, send me a message, and let me know, because I am here to help you. So I hope you enjoy exploring some endangered or vulnerable kind of animals, and let me know again if you need any help.